Last summer was real hot, and we had the AC on from basically end of May, I think, until October. And in October, last time we used it, the power slammed on and off 3 times in about 15 seconds, fast on and off, and the AC unit completely stopped working. So it's about time to take a look at it now that it's getting warm out. And I watched a couple of YouTube videos and was able to actually debug it down to a bad capacitor just from watching and following through the debugs on these videos. And this is the old capacitor. You can see how the top is all ballooned up, and the new one was a little bit smaller, so I just had to use a conduit clamp to hold it in place. And that poor electrical box here was completely full of those stink box bugs. When I opened it up, it was unbelievable. But a couple minutes later, I had the thing fixed. Cost me $17, and then the coil was dirty, so I watched another YouTube video about cleaning the coil with some dish soap and a hose, and a couple minutes later I had that all pretty much cleaned up nice and looking like new again, just about. So now it was time to just kind of go in and power it back up. Now, my wife wanted to call the AC guy, which probably would have wound up costing us $300, so, I'm just glad that I did find a couple videos that worked out and helped me out. And there you can see it's all fired up again and running now. Our first hot day of the year. The timing was perfect. It was 74 degrees in the house to start. I used my meat thermometer because it's the most accurate one that I have. And then I let the AC unit run for about 15 minutes and stuck this in, so it's 55 air coming out. So I've got a 19 degree temperature differential, so it looks like everything's working good. Now back to fixing that new microwave that I bought last year that just broke. Hard to believe they'd put a main power fuse all the way buried inside it, so you had to take the whole thing apart, which that was one of the problems, and I'll be making a video about that shortly. So I'd just like to thank all these great YouTube creators that make videos that really can help others out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.